Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day, guys. I have been taking a few days off this week. I've kind of just been checking emails and not really on social media a lot, just kind of checking around and looking around. Haven't really been doing a lot this week. I did have I have my traffic campaign going, but I kind of took some days off. Sometimes you have to do that. Step back a little bit, get refreshed. I'm still not back, but I want to shoot this video for you guys. I'm not back fully yet, but I want to shoot this video while I had it on my mind, and doing some other administrative things in my business. Okay, so back with the Power Lead system, guys. I am still super pumped and super excited about this system, about this program. Power Lead system. Excuse me. Power Lead system is a marketing system, a marketing tool, a marketing suite. It is global. It is universal. And what I mean by that, universal meaning doesn't matter what business you have, whatever you're marketing, whether it's gardening, plumbing, painting, real estate, car salesman, internet marketer, whatever, hairstylist, whatever your business is, you can use the Power Lead system to help you market that business. Okay, because what Power Lead system is going to do is going to have the training you need to teach you how to do that. And it's also going to provide you with sales funnels, capture pages, so that you can capture your leads and your prospects, and you can allow them to look at your offer. Okay, and then you're going to, in turn, accumulate a list of prospects that you can basically market anything to for life, okay, until they unsubscribe. And they can do that at the bottom of the page. But that's the key. Okay, lead generation, create and gather leads. That's what you want to do. The goal is just to get the leads, keep feeding your funnel, sending traffic. That's what I'm doing, sending cold traffic to my capture page. I test a few of them. Okay, I'm also now sharing this with some of my subscribers as well. But my goal every week, and what I do is just send traffic to my funnel. Okay, I basically set it and forget it. Okay, it's a task. That's all I look at it as. I don't look at what's going to happen at the end. I just look at, this is something I have to do, and the results will follow. Okay, so Power Lead system has all the training you need. Okay, if you don't know what to do, don't worry about that. We have a get started section for you to get started. We have 2 Facebook groups that you'll be a part of. The official Facebook group for the Power Lead system, and then myself, I'm a part of a group of entrepreneurs just like you and I, like-minded individuals that you will be able to interact with and get some additional training, and you'll get to see results and see how other people just like you are doing in the business. Okay, so I just clicked the training section just so you can see all the training that you have back here with this. Okay, so that's not going to be an issue. There's step-by-step training to get you started, so you won't be lost. So don't worry about that. You'll be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Okay, so an awesome system. As you can see here, I am all in. Okay, let's see. I'm all in. The lowest level here. Now we do have they have a lower level system called Lead Lightning. Okay, that's only $7. You make $6 commissions on that product. But that's the lower end. That's great if you need to get started and don't have $53 to get started, but I would say recommend you highly just go ahead and get started with Power Lead system. Okay. Excuse me, and just go all in with it. So the gold membership is $53.97 a month. You're going to make $20 commission off of every gold member you bring in, period. Okay. Now, on your pass ups, you're going to receive a 50% matching bonus. So if anybody that you pass up, you won't make that $20. It goes up to your sponsor, but you will make the 50% matching bonus, which is better. So if you refer, let's say you just referred one person. No, let's say you referred two. The first one you're going to keep. The second one goes up. It goes up. The $20 goes up, but that person is always going to be tied to you for life. So if that person goes out and makes $1,000 that month, you make $500. The company will cut a separate check for you. $1,000 for that person and $500 for you. Okay, so that's being a gold member. Now, the other level they have is called the diamond level. It's a one-time purchase, okay, of $147, and you're going to make $100 commission off of every diamond person you bring in. All right, and that's actual training. That's just not, you know, a level that they just made up and it's not tied to anything. There's actual training there. Okay. Then the other level is platinum. It's $497 one time, and you're going to make $400 commission off of everybody that comes in as a platinum. No pass-ups at the platinum level. Okay. Not to mention, I love that they have training. Every Thursday is internet marketing training. It's free, 10 o'clock p.m. And every Wednesday there's an overview. Okay. They have a professional trainer that they hired to actually do the overview for anyone that's interested in the Power Lead system to learn what it's all about. Okay. And then we have the replay as well. If you miss it, you can get the replay, and we have all of those recordings in our back office. Okay. So, awesome system. What I like about it is pretty much autopilot. Okay. Because what we do is we send cold traffic to our capture page. Let me give you an example of one of the capture pages. This funnel is already set up. So when you join me, you can get this funnel. Okay, I can give you my share code and you can have this funnel. This is an example of a sales page. Okay, I'm sorry, a capture page. Okay, meaning someone has to enter their name and their email. And once they do that, they will watch the presentation. Okay, and from that point, they're going to receive emails from the company on your behalf. Okay. Basically reminding them about the program constantly. Okay. So you don't have to worry about that. So this page, a simple page just like this, guys, you send some cold traffic to this page, people that have actually raised their hand and said they're interested in making money from home. They read this. I mean, who wouldn't put their information in? Need more money? Newbie proof, easy way to earn $500 per day. A done-for-you system that creates fast cash flow. I mean, come on. If somebody's interested in making money from home, they see this, they will put their information in. And some may say, well, it may be bogus. That's okay. Don't worry about that. Because the people that are serious, even if they put the bogus information in, they're going to go and join with their real information if they're serious. And we don't worry about that because the system is sifting and sorting for you. Okay? I don't call people. I don't chase people. Not even in my other businesses. You enter your information, you contact me. I do not reach out and make calls to people. That's just how I do my business. Now, I will follow up with people, but I don't do any chasing. Okay? My systems do all the sifting and sorting. And if someone's interested, they're going to reach out to you, or they're just going to simply sign up. Okay? So don't worry about that. So that's what this does. Okay? Your automated funnel. Okay? So this is what we have. Real simple, newbie friendly, because all you need to do is select one of the pages already back there. You don't need to create anything. We have these type of pages already set up. Okay? All you're going to do is plug in, get in our Facebook group. We have a fast start to show you what you need to do. Start sending traffic to one of these pages, and then you'll get emails like this. Let me just show you. Okay? I received this yesterday. I was actually at the store and I received a notification, an email. So I read the email. Hold on one second. One went all in. Whenever you see fast start bonus, that means they've purchased the diamond, and the platinum. They've gone all the way up. So fast start means $400. Gold member means $20. So that's $420. And actually there was $100 for the diamond because you received both the 100 and the 400. But that 100 went up because it was an odd number within my 5. So the 100 went up. So just think, my sponsor received $100 and I received the 420. So that's what I like about this as well, that your sponsor and you're tied together basically forever. So everyone gets to make commissions. That's what I like. It's not, and I have a few of these, the 100% commissions. Those are great. I love them. Higher ticket. But in this, with the residual income, I like being able to have this as well, because this way everyone gets, get paid. Because normally when you pass up a person, they're no longer tied to you in your downline. You lose them, but you still getting commission. So my sponsor still end up getting 100. I made 420. Not a bad day, and I was out at the store doing whatever I was doing. So as you can see, these leads are coming in consistently. Well, you're getting a lot of leads, but guess what? That's great though. Remember, I am gathering these leads and I can market to them whatever I want. At some point, if I like, I can just send them an email about another opportunity I have. So that's a whole nother list of people that I've never spoken to, don't know me, who I am or any of that, don't know I'm online, and they can receive whatever offer that I, present, because I've captured those leads. So I have over 1,000 leads now just through this program. New people. Okay. So look at it that way, guys. You can also, market your primary business. If you have another business, you can also market PLS and your primary at the same time with this system. Okay. So you may say, well, I have another business. I don't want to just do Power Lead. That's no problem. You can do just Power Lead if you don't have a business, or you can do them both. Okay. Because they have 2 links in the system. The A link, you can market PLS and your primary. Okay, so it's a win-win. So anyway, just want to give you a quick update. That's where I am. Progress is being made. It's awesome. It's not going anywhere. And my understanding is they're going to add another level, $1,000 level. So then we'll have the $100. We'll have the $100 level, the $400, and $1,000 level. So you have all those under one umbrella. Okay, and it's autopilot. Commissions, but this is residual. Remember, you're going to get those $20 over and over and over and over and over and over again, as long as people keep their membership. And don't worry about it off, because I've had a few that's already fallen off. I mean, you can't worry about that. You keep funnel. Okay, that's it. So the more people see it, and you start building it and building it, it won't matter if 20 or 30 fall off, because you have 100 or 200 in there. Okay, so the Power Lead system, get started. Reach out to me. I'm going to put my link below. Go and go through the funnel. Check it out for yourself. We're giving you a 7-day free trial. Okay, change your mind or decide it's not for you. No big deal. Next, you know what I'm saying? So no big deal. So get with the Power Lead system. This is a great program. I'll be happy to get you started on my team, get you started in this program, and I have a special bonus too that I am doing. So give me a call if you're serious about getting started, and I'll help you out with your first marketing thing. Okay, so give me a call, get started with the Power Lead system, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, you guys have a blessed day.